Do you need to buy a home by a certain date? Maybe you're relocating, or you have a lease on an apartment that is coming up. In this video, I explain just how long it takes to close on a home. And if it's been a while since you bought a home, you may think you know the answer, but you're probably wrong. Hey there, my name is Ryan Renner, and I'm a real estate agent with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Good Life Group here in Omaha, Nebraska. So I'm going to assume most of you watching this video are taking out a mortgage to buy a home. If you're buying with cash, you can close very quickly. Closing in 1 to 2 weeks is doable. At that point, you're really just at the mercy of when the seller wants to close. But when you finance your home purchase, you are at the mercy of the bank. I tell my clients to expect it to take on average 45 days from getting a home under contract to closing. Listen closely to what I said, 45 days from when you get the home under contract. I'm not including the time it takes to find the home. That could be 1 week, that could be 1 year. Once you have found the home you want to buy and have it under contract, expect it to take about 45 days. In the past, before some of the more recent financial regulations, 30 days was pretty common, but now it's more like 45. And this also assumes the seller will move out in 45 days and will close when you want to close. So why exactly does it take this long? Well, there are a lot of moving parts and a lot of different people involved when you finance a home. The loan approval process involves an appraisal, a title search, an analysis of your finances, homeowner's insurance, legal disclosure timelines, and a lot more. All of these steps involve different people. Getting an appraiser to look at the property and send the report over to the underwriter is usually the step in the process that takes the most time. A problem can come up in any step along the way, but that 45-day window gives a little bit of cushion to resolve any issues that may come up. On the flip side, if everything goes smoothly, it's actually possible to close on a finance purchase a lot faster, even in 21 days. But in that scenario, there are no room for errors. Buying a home is a collaborative process, and you, as the buyer, bear some of the responsibility in ensuring that the home closes on time. Most importantly, provide any documentation your loan officer asks for in a timely manner. This is critical in moving the process along. Now, if you are a buyer and in a time crunch and need to close quickly, it's best to talk to your agent and your loan officer about what you can do and what they can do to make that happen. With proper preparation and planning, it's certainly possible to close in under 45 days. I hope this helps. In a future video, I will talk about some of the common reasons why home closings get delayed. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.